Hi, and welcome to Libby Presents Ghost News Network. Today is our question of the week. Tom, what do you got for us?
So my question is, which aspect of the paranormal would you most like an answer to?
That's a good question.
Which aspect of paranormal?
Damn.
I mean, some people believe they already have the answers to some of the things they're looking for, whether it be through faith or religion or skepticism even. But what aspect of it?
I would say, for me personally, that the theory of EMF is real. Like that when a ghost does manifest or a spirit manifest, it does give off some type of EMF. I feel like that's, the first time I started, the minute I started the group, my first piece of equipment that I bought on my own was the EMF cell sensor. Rob bought the EMF multi-detector too. And we thought, when we first started, that would be like a legit theory. Like it could happen. There's a lot of science behind it. To have that proven and real, that would be pretty fucking cool. That's what I stand with.
Just to veer a little bit off from that, I would probably say ions. The ion theory, if that's accurate. Just because of the way ions work and they play off people and emotions and things like that. Is there any validity to that? And, is the existence of negative ions or positive ions a way for spirits to manifest? So I would probably go with ions.
Yeah.
I'll go a different route. Just aliens in general, if they exist. Of course, I'd love to see the Star Trekian aliens that just talk to you and have no problem. But I'd take a little pile of mush that was just from somewhere else, just to know that for a fact that something else is out there.
Besides us.
I think I would have to say, what is a ghost? Is it someone that passed away? Is it an interdimensional being? And you just have a concrete answer on what exactly is a ghost. I think that would be the one I need to hear the most.
I would have to say the creator. How we all the main question of how did we come into be? If it's the stuff from movies where some guy just sprinkled something or drank something and became evolution and such like that, or panspermia, we just got hit by a comet and stuff happens. So I want that answer, and hopefully that would lead to closure for a lot of people.
I think it would cause more conflict than closure, to be honest.
Well, honestly, people hate to be proven wrong. You can't prove someone wrong, because
Right.
they're just going to instantly double down on them being
Right.
wrong.
Right.
So,
I was gonna go with aliens too.
I'm sure you're gonna go with Bigfoot.
I was gonna go with aliens, but if I didn't go with aliens, I was gonna say just cryptids in general. I think before we start worrying about what's not on our planet, we need to figure out what is on our planet. And if I definitively knew that Bigfoot, Mothman, Loveland Frogman, the Pukwudgie, all these were real or what was fake, then that could narrow down the search pretty well.
Then there'll always be something new.
They're all aliens. They're already here.
Yeah, maybe.
I
That
think
should
so.
be the answer.
Some people think Bigfoot are interdimensional beings that come in and out of
Yeah,
some rift.
and they have psychic powers
They do. That's what they say. Some of them.
sometimes.
What about you, Connor?
Sort of kind of what you guys were just saying about cryptids versus aliens and versus spirits would be something that we might refer to as a cryptid, let's say Mothman. Is it a cryptid as in a biological animal of some sort that we just aren't aware of? Is it an alien that's come down and is doing experiments and stuff? Or is it some sort of manifestation of a spirit or a demon or something like that? And where's the line drawn and how many lines are drawn? is it interdimensional, and sort of what field are we playing on?
Yeah,
Sort of
especially with Mothman. There's so much
Yeah.
theory about what exactly a Mothman is.
It's sort of like the idea of religion that's brought up in Supernatural, where they have Jesus and things, but there's also Hindu and this other guy and this other guy. And
It's all right.
they're all correct.
Right.
Is that true, or did some random religion in some random island 10,000 years ago they got it right and everyone else is wrong?
Yeah. Yeah. What you got, Michelle?
So shadow people for really, because
Shadow
I really loved. I was thinking about shadow people
That's
the other day because I was reading something about how scientists found dark matter in the universe and how dark matter is the stuff between the space between matter.
Right.
So I was also thinking maybe that these creatures are made of dark matter, but it would be interesting to see prove if that were correct. Maybe there's a dark matter world. Maybe they're an alien.
You just mind fucked us.
I have to follow that.
Enjoy, Tom. Now it's your turn.
I had to follow the creator.
I mean, first and foremost, I'd love to get the answer: is there life after death?
Right.
That would be.
I mean, that's like, I think, the ultimate,
But then, more so from the cryptid side of things, like it would be very. Like I mean, I even love reading articles like when they discover a new bug or a new, I'm like, wow, that's amazing. It's something we've been around for millions of years, and we just discovered something new.
Right.
So to have something like, like a Bigfoot or a Pukwudgie all of a sudden be real and proven, one, it would be cool as hell, and two, it helps legitimize what we're trying to do. I mean, especially, aiming high, but, if we could somehow discover something, that no one else has before, it would be something that Parties and I were all doing is I hope we'll be able to do something like that, so it would be very cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Anybody else have anything they want to add to the question of the week? No? All right, so that's all we have for this week's question of the week. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. What exactly would you want to have an answer to? If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share the video. And also, if you haven't, click the little notification bell so you know when all of our content is being uploaded to YouTube. Again, thank you guys for joining us for this latest edition of Ghost News Network. And until next time, take care, guys.